Okay, man, this shit finna drop, man. Too late. Fuck it. Let me turn it down a little bit, man. There we go. It's a little bit more clear now, right? Okay. Man. Let me tell you like this, let me tell you like that. Let me tell you like this, let me tell you like that. I'ma whip it like this, I'ma whip it like that. I'ma cook it like this, I'ma cook it like that. I'ma sell it like this, I'ma sell it like that. I'm out here on the block, I'm smoking up black. It's a wood tip. Little nigga, tell me what you know about that. Do you know how to count them racks? You don't know how to count them racks. You don't got enough stacks. I got the racks in the closet, and she ain't finna come back. Fuck that bitch, there's plenty of more where that came from. You feel me though? That wasn't really me, or was it really you? Who are you? I've never seen you. Who is me? I've never heard of me. Who are you? I've never heard of you. I just might turn into you. I don't really know. Is it on record? I might just reel you in like a fish though. It just might be a rainy weekend though. Damn, did I stutter though? I think I did though. Let me roll up another blunt though. Do you feel me though? I'm high smoking on these Swisher Sweets though. If I wanted to burn slow, I'm finna roll up a White Owl though. Do you understand what I'm tryna say though? I'm tryna cop my own mobile home. Lil Shorty tryna come to the rodeo. Pulled up to Burger King, I tell him I wanted that rodeo. So I snatched a hoe. Big 82 though. It's a fucking chicken snack wrap though.